I'm at Bicester Heritage for our Jaguar XK media event. I'm with Harry Rochez of Twyford Moors, a long-established XK expert company and very distinguished, eminent specialists, which is run by you and your father.
Yep, that's right.
You've recently moved into some super new premises. Tell us a bit about them, please, Harry.
Yeah, so we've been looking for a good 7 years for somewhere suitable, and it's been a real challenge finding the right place for us. And we were fortunate to find the right building. We had to gut it right back to a bare shell, which has given us the opportunity to design the whole internal space from scratch, which has been brilliant. We've been able to create lovely, clean, light, bright workshops. It's a modern, well-insulated building, which makes a huge difference. And we've taken the opportunity to fit the whole building with solar panels on the roof. We don't have any gas to the building, it's all electricity, so we've got electric heating as well, which makes the whole building a much more sustainable proposition, and it's the first step we've taken looking towards the future of the business.
And you can now, with your restorations, your anything from a servicing up to a full restoration, you've got the building designed with the operations in mind rather than the other way around, as it were.
Yeah, so our old facility had evolved and was very higgledy-piggledy, and you had a bit of workshop over here and a bit over there, whereas now we were able to design the internal space from scratch. And so we've got designated areas for restoration, nice clean spaces, nice ramps to work on, a clean engine room, and then we've got a dirty kind of fabrication space. We don't do paint work in-house. That's an active choice to keep the environment nice and clean, because we all know how messy paintwork can be.
Tremendous. Long-established company. Now in these super new premises, and of course you sell cars as well, you specialise in selling XKs. How is business?
It's good. I mean, I was saying to someone earlier that in the last 12 months I think we've taken on more new clients than we have in any other 12-month period before now. And I think that's largely due to the new premises and the opportunities it's given us to promote our company in a new way. And our move towards online marketing and social media has made a huge difference in the way we're attracting work in. The workshop is incredibly busy, and people are really keen to look after their car and upgrade their cars to make them as usable and practical as possible. That's the key to these XKs, and what makes them so great is that they're very practical cars, and with a few well thought through upgrades and improvements, they can be incredibly reliable and enjoyable to drive.
Indeed. Many of our XK Club tours over the years, we've had a good proportion of them have been cars that have been restored by Twyford Moors originally. So I'm well aware that yours are terrific restorations, and the upgrades work superbly. And it's a very impressive company. So great reputation. I've been recommending Twyford Moors amongst one or two others for many, many years, and long may it continue.
Thanks.
Thanks, Harry.